Hi guys, today I will explain about how to create short video in Clipchamp. As you know, short videos are useful in TikTok, Instagram, as well as on YouTube Short. Also in Clipchamp, you can create your short form videos easily, and how can you do it? The first thing is open your application, and once it will be open, you will see the same interface like mine. The next thing you want to do is click on the option Create a New Video, and once you will click on it, you will be moved further to the timeline where you can import your data. The first thing you have to do is click on the option Import Media. Then your computer browser will be open and you can import your media in Clipchamp. So let me click on it. And as you can see, I choose this video. Now the next thing is, I will take my mouse cursor and will click on the option plus. Then it will be added to my timeline. And as you can see, this video is in long form, not in short form. So I can't use it for TikTok, Instagram, or for YouTube Shorts. So in order to convert it from long form to short form, the only thing is, take a look on the right top. You can see the icon of 16 by 9. Just click on it. And just below to it, you will see the option of 9 by 16 portrait. And here you can also see good for Instagram stories, TikTok, and mobile videos. Click on it. And as you can see now, it has been changed to short forms. Now adjust the position of your video. Once you fit your video, tap on the option Export, and your video will be exported as a short form. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.